Hello YouTube and welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost. Today we are reviewing headphones, and if you want some cool music to listen to on your headphones, I make that, so check that out in the video description when you listen to the music in your Marshall Major 2 Bluetooth headphones, which we are taking an unboxing experience pulse type thing on today. And we start by actually going to the bottom, for which they have provided pull tabs. You know how I always do this for 2 hours? Well, I don't have to do that with these because there's pull tabs. Very, very nice. And you have another pull tab here. I just gotta sort of try to find it. Cat is walking past. Okay, and so you have well, you have the pull tabs. Ah, there we go. After you pull the pull tabs, you just kind of have to yank it, and the cat needs to be able to investigate the box. Baxter loves boxes. And when you have done that, you have this nice black thing, which is black on all sides, and then inside it we have a little bolt. You can have a bolt. Here you go, Baxter. Here's a bolt. The bolt is too small. Oh dear. It is too small a bolt. Here you have some sort of instruction booklet for the headphones, I presume. You can put that in the bolt. You will be a passenger for the boat. Here is a cord. It's a charging cord of medium quality, and it can be a passenger in the boat. And here this is weird. Okay, so here is a little roof for the boat. So you've almost finished building the boat. And of course here you have the actual headphones, which I am not going to mess with right now, but they are attached to this plasticky thing. This is what they look like. They have sort of a synthetic smell to them, and they look kind of nice. They have a nice feel to them, kind of clothy, and there's a gold thing there for the Marshall. And now, I will not forget, it is time to rate the unboxing experience review. And this time, it has been a joy. I will have to give it a 9 out of 10, because there was pull tabs. I didn't have to sit there and mess around with my nails. I'm basically in heaven. There was pull tabs. And there's a bolt, and you can end the... Yeah, here comes other cats too. Here's Percy, but he is not quite the salesman the way Baxter is. So, oh yeah, and I guess the one negative side of it all would be that after you have pulled the pull tabs, the contents did not come out right away. I kind of have to shake it like that. So that's why it's a 9. Not a 10, and now don't forget to listen to my music in the headphones if you have them. And like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends about the video, and tell their friends to tell their friends, and then it is world domination. And I will see you next time. Have a good one.